Okay, as I promised, this is my way how to set up the Taranis throttle-cut on fixed-wing models without FC. This way you have some redundancy about how you set it up, but I'll show you first how it's done. So remove X's pirates.
Welcome to OpenTX 0 dB.
Basically, here is the
0 dB
channel monitor. Focus. So basically the throttle works on first channel as normal. When I hit the throttle cut, it goes to -100. But because I do it with sticky switch, if you have accidentally have throttle on and try to remove the throttle cut, nothing happens. Just after you got the throttle to 0
dB.
then it starts to work again. So you might ask, Tommy, how is this done? I'll show you. You first go to logical switches.
0 dB.
Shut up, somewhere over here. So basically, you could do this the other way, but for some reason I have done it this way. So, firstly, I do the sticky switch. When my SF switch, this one here,
dB.
when this is up, throttle cut is on. So you put however you want the switch to work. You put the switch to the, you choose the switch and the position when the throttle cut is active. And then the logical function is true when you have put the switch to that position. And second is the condition when the logical switch goes off. And for me, I have set up it like when the throttle is at 0 and when the throttle cut switch is off, then it switches off, as you can see. Now it's on, and even though you flick the switch, it still stays on because it's bolded. And then when it goes to 0, throttle goes to 0, it goes off. Alright, let's continue. I ran out of memory card, so let's have a second try about the rest of the video. Basically, after you have set up the logical switches, you need to go to special functions and put when the sticky switch is active. Choose that logical switch and made it override channel 1 or whatever your throttle channel is to -100 to make it 0. After that you can do the funny stuff, basically like now when it's safe I could just play a track called, let's see about the throttle, what do we have here. Throttle active sounds good, and the other way around to play track. Like so.
Throttle active. Throttle disabled.
Alright. And to be more smart, you might want to set it up to actual logical switches. So when it disable works that way, but this one,
Throttle active. Throttle active.
shut up, like so. So now basically if you have throttle on and
Throttle active. Throttle disabled.
alright, So now we can try it in real life. Put that aside. Make sure you have the right one. I have a metric nut, so I need a metric spanner. Might do this in shot also. Safety first. Or in some priority. Nah, I do it out of shot. I might finish it up in daily order. Maybe today or something. Alright. Prop is off. We are safe. How do I incorporate
1
both?
minute.
Oh no. Yeah. Put in the battery.
Telemetry lost. Telemetry recovered.
Alright.
Telemetry lost.
So now throttle
Throttle active. Throttle disabled.
and now you have to put it to 0 to make it work.
Throttle active. Throttle disabled.
So thank you very much. Tutorial is done.